Hi everyone! Welcome to the 11th day of our 100 Days of Vlogging Challenge. And maraming salamat po ulit sa mga sumusuporta simula sa day 1 and lalong-lalo na sa mga sumusuporta from our videos from 3 years ago. If you haven't watched it yet, please do so. And for this episode, I will be sharing with you my nighttime self care routine and the products that I use. Okay, so let's first get started on our oral hygiene. So that's the first thing that I do bago ako maligo. No, I always would brush my teeth first and then go from there. So I'll share with you the products that I've been using, okay? So first off is um, our water flosser. So I've been using this water flosser since last year and it's really good. Marami siyang naiilagay na tubig dito. And it's wireless as well, so it's very handy and very convenient gamitin. Number one for me talaga is the convenience of usage. So this one is from the brand Water Peak. And I got this one from KK last year. So may wish list kami and this is what I put on my wish list. So thank you naman sa nakabunot sa akin. And next we have, of course, very important is to brush our teeth. So I'm currently using this Oral-B electric toothbrush and it's actually very good compared to the regular toothbrush. Well, I still do use the regular toothbrush. So I usually use this toothbrush, the electric toothbrush during nighttime, and then during daytime I use my regular Oral-B toothbrush. And for our toothpaste, I use two types of toothpaste. So first one is this Colgate regular toothpaste, the original one. Ang gusto ko sa mga toothpaste is hindi yung gel. Gusto ko yung paste talaga, yung white, yung consistency and texture, and yung kulay. Kasi feeling ko lang mas gusto ko yung may para akong nararamdaman na parang powdery something and feeling ko talaga nalilinis na yung maayos yung ngipin ko. Next one naman that we have is this Red Seal Baking Soda. Ang nag-recommend nito sa akin ay yung boss ko dati. And she is a smoker. Pero yung breath niya doesn't really smell. And she mentioned to me that this is the toothpaste that she's been using. And oh my gosh, when I first tried it, sobrang linis ng feeling ng mouth ko after. Like, para akong galing sa dentist, nakakapalinis ko lang. Ganon siya ka-linis. So, hindi siya ganon ka-minty. That's why I still use the regular one. Pero guys, yung linis and yung pagkadulas ng ngipin ninyo after nyo gamitin to, grabe, ibang level. Parang dentist level. And of course, we have our mouthwash. So, this is the mouthwash that I am currently using. But I always make sure na yung mga ginagamit kong mouthwash is alcohol-free. Ayoko nung feeling na may stinging feeling sa bibig ko. Pero at the same time, it doesn't feel complete kapag wala kang mouthwash or pag di ka gumamit ng mouthwash. So yeah, this one, I use this one, the Max Fresh from Colgate. And of course, after ko mag-toothbrush, I am going to sit down on our throne at gagamitin natin ang ating bidet at ang ating feminine wash. So I use this FemFresh which you can get from any grocery stores dito sa Australia or sa Amazon. I got this one pero I remember from Amazon because Amazon sometimes has a better price compared to the grocery store. So yeah, I've got this one from there. After ng business natin dito, now we're gonna hop onto the shower. So, excuse the kalat in the shower area, okay? So, first off, of course, is ang ating hair. So, I usually use two shampoos. So I deep clean my scalp and my hair at least once a week. So I don't wash my hair every day. I only use it every other 2 days or every other day. Depende kung gano'n na siya ka-oily and kung pinagpawisan ako ng todo-todo on that day. So first off, for our shampoo, I use this Tresemme Moisture Reach. So it's in the blue color. I don't know, I love the scent of this. And so this is the first shampoo that I would use. And this is my base shampoo. And then usually during Friday nights ako nag-deep clean ng buong katawan ko. So I'll do all my scrubbing and my deep cleaning of scalp and hair during Friday nights. So that's the first shampoo that I use, the Tresemme. And then this one is the second shampoo that I use during Fridays. Okay, tuwing Friday lang tayo nag-deep clean madalas. So this one is the Redwin Tea Tree shampoo. And I used to have like a dandruff issue or a dry scalp issue. And before I thought it may be, dandruff can be from a lot of different things. Can be from using too much hot water from the shower, so it dries up your scalp. Can be a bacterial infection. But for myself, so tinry ko yung mga iba't ibang avenues. Tinry ko na liguan yung buhok ko ng hindi mainit na tubig. And tinry ko rin maggamit ng mga iba-ibang anti-dandruff shampoo. Pero this one is the one that really works for me. So, yung cause pala ng mga dandruff and itchy scalp ko and dryness ng scalp ko is because of the product buildup. So, as you notice, I do have a curly hair. So, my hair is rebonded at the top and then digitally permed at the bottom. And for me to be able to maintain this kind of curl, I need to use products on my hair. And hindi lahat ng shampoo, is very effective on taking out or, removing the products from your hair. And of course, eventually, if and even sometimes, even a shampoo, would leave residues on your hair, on your scalp. And of course, over time, it builds up. And if you don't remove it, it will just layer up, layer up. And hanggang sa hindi na makahinga yung hair, yung scalp mo. And of course, bacteria will start growing and whatnot. And so it's best, like wherever you are, whichever part of the world you are, try to look for a clarifying shampoo where, for me, this is what I've found. It's a tea tree shampoo, Redwin. This is from Chemist Warehouse. And guys, this one only cost $4 or $3. I'm not too sure kung $2.99 ba o $3.99. Basta, ganun lang yung presyohan nito. And it lasts me quite a long time kasi nga I only use this one once a week and very effective. Kung meron kang dandruff issues, itchy scalp issue, dry scalp issue, I would recommend, please do yourself a favor and put $3 or $4 out to Chemist Warehouse and itry mo tong shampoo na to. It really helps. And now yung scalp ko ay wala ng mga dandruff. Dati para akong Christmas sa Amerika na nagsusnow. But thanks to this product, tumigil na. So with this product pala, when I use this, so first off, I will wash my hair with the Tresemme shampoo. After that, I'm going to put this on my hair and then I will soak this to my hair. I'll just put a hair clamp while my head is being soaked from the bubbles of this shampoo. Okay? So that's for the shampoo. For the conditioner naman, I've got two as well. So first off is this Korean conditioner that I got from my hair stylist, from the hair salon that I always go to for the last 5 years. And this large bottle lasts me for, I'd say, at least a year. And this one is so good kasi alam mo yun, pagkatapos bilang chemically treated na yung buhok at lutong-luto na yung buhok ng lola ninyo, kakapareban at kakapakulot, you know that feeling na after mo mag-shampoo, parang yung hair mo is ayaw maghiwa-hiwalay, parang sobrang dikit-dikit na malagkit na gano'n. Basta alam mo yun, lalo na pag bagong treat ng chemical yung hair mo, gano'n yung feeling. And then, guys, eto, isa, dalawang pump lang. Covered na yung buong hair ko na makapal. And magaglide ko na ulit yung fingers ko in between my hair. And this one is, it has a very good scent, pero hindi siya ganun ka-strong. And so, for me to have like a really good, you know, nice smelling hair, I would then add some of these. So this is the Garnier hair conditioner, hair mask, and it can also be used as a leave-on conditioner. But for me, I just use this one as a conditioner. And yep, that's it. This one is very budget friendly as well. And now, after ko ano ng buhok, usually, kung hindi Friday, kung ibang araw, I would usually, after shampooing my hair, I would put conditioner and then I'll just soak it on my hair and I'll just put like clump with the conditioner on. And then binabanlawan ko siya during the last step na ng pagligo ko. Now, after kong mag-mind ng hair, mag-intindi ng hair, we now go to the skin. So I always do first up, going down. And so, as I've mentioned to you on my previous video, I'm using the Some by Me Miracle Soap. And that's what I use for my face. And I also, because that one is a clarifying soap bar as well. So it removes all the residue, the product residue on my face and frees up my pores. And anong area ba ng katawan natin yung talagang may product na matinding mag-residue? Okay, it's the kilikili because of the deodorant. Alam naman natin yung deodorant is it's para hindi pagpawisan. So, alam mo yung feeling ng deodorant, di ba? Parang may plastic sometimes na nakatapal na manipis dyan sa kilikili mo na parang hindi makahinga yung pores mo. So, what I do is that I would also use that Some by Me Miracle Bar on my armpits and in between my boobs kasi in between my boobs tends to be very sweaty and very oily, and so sometimes I would have pimples breaking out there. So I use that as well, and on my back because of my back knee. And once a week as well, during Fridays, I would use that soap on my whole body just to make sure that I take off all the, yung mga naiiwan kasi ng manipis na film ng lotion sa katawan natin. Kahit na sobrang sabunin mo, may iwan at may iwan pa dyan. That's why it's highly recommended that you actually use a clarifying, this time, body bar or body soap or something to remove the residue on your skin. And after I use that Some by Me Miracle Bar, oh my gosh, mararamdaman mo talaga, iba yung hagod ng kamay mo sa balat mo dahil sobrang linis. Squeaky clean. That's the perfect description for that. Moving on, of course, after natin address yung mga particular areas natin, no, I have this amazing, sobrang bango na body wash. This is from Soap and Glory. I got this one from Mecca. It's their original scent. And oh my gosh, nung ginamit ko to, so, binili ko lahat ng products na meron sila na ganitong scent. Kasi sabi nga nila, doon sa mga videos na napanood ko, one of the good technique to retain that smell is through layering. So, I would layer it with body wash, with body scrub, body butter, and cologne as well. So, yung apat na yun, consistent ko na ginagamit. Para talagang, amoy Soap and Glory, clean on me ako. Anyway, so this is my favorite body wash. So you don't really have to put much, it just bubbles so much. And also, this one is relatively very reasonable ang price. So this is in 500 mils na, and less than $20, less than 20 Australian dollars lang siya. So it's really, really good, and this would last you a long, long time. As I've mentioned to you, so nagle-layering tayo. So I also got the body scrub of that one. It's in the same scent, the original scent. And this one is, oh my gosh, guys. Ginagamit ko to, to be honest with you, kapag gusto ko may maganap sa amin ng asawa ko. Kasi talagang hindi niya ma-resist ang smell nito. Sobrang bango. Talagang gusto kong makascore sa asawa ko. Eto, nagsascrub ako nito kahit hindi ko scrub day, kahit hindi biyernes, nagsascrub ang lola ninyo para swertehin. And sobrang bango. And yung consistency nito, it's made out of sugar. It's a sugar scrub. Sobrang ganda kasi sobrang mararamdaman mo yung granules ng sugar sa skin mo. But after a while, nagme-melt siya. And then, pag binanlawan mo, makikita mo parang milky yung tubig. So, it has a lot of oils in it as well, moisturizing oil. So, after mo nito, oh my gosh, sobrang soft ng skin mo and sobrang bango mo. Pwede kang i-rate na 5 out of 5, okay? 5-star girl ka kapag ginamit mo to. I swear to God, sobrang bango. Okay, so, ito tayo. So, ngayon, tapos na tayo dito sa ating body care. Tapos na tayo sa ligo session. Okay? Now naman, okay, share ko na nga rin sa inyo. So, yung paa ko, madalas akong nagkakaroon ng mga crack heels. And so, to specially address it, I use this foot scrub, this metallic foot scrub by Soul Society. And oh my gosh, guys, sobrang ergonomic ng handle. Sobrang gandang gamitin. And sa lahat ng mga foot scrub na nagamit ko, this is the best. Dahil talagang, alam mo yun, tanggal lahat ng kalyo, tanggal lahat ng dry skin. And yung heel mo, magiging red na pang mayaman, okay? Super effective. So, dalawang klase yung surface niya. So, this one is the rough surface and the smooth surface. I've been using this one for 2 years na and it's still amazingly good. Okay, so that's it for the business inside the shower area. Now we go after the shower, okay? So, after the shower, of course, magtutuyo muna tayo ng hair. And uulitin ko na lang din yung diniscuss ko and shinare ko dun sa isang video. Of course, skincare tayo. Guys, sa sobrang pagmamahal ko sa scent ng Soap and Glory na yun, meron din akong heel foot cream and hand cream. Sobrang lupet. And that's it. Anyway, that's it for that part. So ngayon naman, syempre, nakalabas na tayo ng shower. So first off, nilalagay ko tong Laneige lip mask natin. Followed by this COSRX Hyaluronic Essence. Habang pinapatuyo ko yung essence, naglo-lotion ako. So, I have a slight eczema. And so, I use this QV cream. And guys, I've been using this cream for over 6 years na. And this is the one that really aided my skin. Alam mo yung, ewan ko, pero yung mga may dry skin dyan, makaka-relate sa akin. So, alam mo yung feeling na parang konting stretch na lang ng balat mo, magkakaroon ka na ng crack. Ganon ka-tight yung feeling ng skin ko before I met this product. I've used so much products to address my dry skin, but this one, this QV cream is the one that really rescues me from all that dry and itchy feeling na nakukuha ko. Anyway, with this one, I would So this one is a cream, and I also got the lighter version or the thinner version of this one, which is the skin lotion. And usually, I would mix this one with my favorite scent lotion. And ano pa nga bang favorite scent natin kundi ang Soap and Glory Original Pink. So I have the body butter version of it. Sometimes I use the body butter on its own na hindi ko na hinahalo dito. Most of the time, I mix them together. So, sobrang bango. Anyway, so meron tayo nitong body butter and of course, meron din tayong lighter version for hotter weather. This is the lotion. Yan. So after natin magpa lotion, and of course, this one is for the heels. I also mix it with a QV cream and pati pa ako masarap kainin. Anyway, after natin maglagay ng mga lotions sa katawan natin, hugasan natin yung kamay, and then I will put on our night cream. So this is the Hamish Marine Care Deep Moisturizing Melting Cream. Guys, may iyak kayo pagising nyo kinabukasan pagkagamit nyo nito. Parang puwet na ng baby, kalambot yung face ninyo. And share ko lang din sa inyo. So I use this Clarins Tonic oil na nilagay ko dito sa pump ng COSRX Hyaluronic Power Essence para mas control yung gamit kasi walang pump yung bottle nito. Like, direct bottle lang na ipo-pour mo. Paminsan, mahirap tansyahin. Hindi naman mahirap, pero mas madaling tansyahin kung nasa pump bottle siya. Ayan. Hindi ko pala siya ma-open, guys, kasi naka-sealed pa. Dahil bago pa. And I use this one on my belly for the stretch marks and yeah, especially nung preggers ako para maiwasan magkaroon ng stretch marks. Pero sad to say, stretch marks are genetic. So nagkaroon pa rin ako ng stretch marks. Pero at least ngayon, mas madali siyang naglalighten. And yung skin ng tiyan ko hindi ganun kasoggy. And of course, now we go to the cologne. So I also have the cologne version of that Soap and Glory Original Pink, which I left or leave in my office drawer kasi yun yung ginagamit ko pang work pag nasa trabaho na ako. But otherwise, really, we do have quite a good collection of perfume over there. So itong mga to, puro babango ko yan. But usually, on a day-to-day basis, favorite kong gamitin ay yung mga perfume from Zara. Kasi, hindi siya ganun kamahalan. Hindi siya mahal. Depende kung anong level natin sa buhay. Pero, it's on the reasonable price and it's already eau de parfum. So, yung concentration niya is maganda and yung scent niya is long-lasting. And yeah, so this one is a dupe of, I would say, Chloe. Ganun yung amoy, pero on the more affordable side of things. So, hindi nakaka-guilty ka, mag-spray-spray ka dyan everyday, di ba? And, guys, gumagamit pa rin naman ako. Favorite ko rin to, paminsan. High school. Reminds me of high school. Ito yung pabango ko ng high school. And this one reminds me of college. Na ginagamit ko pa rin hanggang ngayon. Clinic Happy. Bumili rin tayo ng Clinic Happy Hearts. Ayun, nasa taas sila. May stock na tayo ng Clinic Happy and Clinic Happy Hearts. And yung mga nandun sa taas na yung mga stocks natin. Yan. And yeah, that's it for my video today. I hope na may nakuha kayo ditong idea na pwede niyong gamitin sa susunod ninyong pagligo. Anyway, I'll see you again tomorrow. Ciao, Bella! Mwah!